All natural remedy for back and joint pain that works like magic. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it's working for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something awesome to share if you've been dealing with annoying back and joint pains. Get ready for a remedy that's super simple and works like a charm. So, here's the deal, we only need two things: bananas and turmeric powder. But before we dive into the recipe, let me explain why this combo is so great. First, bananas. They're packed with something called potassium, which helps our muscles work well and can ease muscle cramps and soreness. They also have vitamin B6, which keeps our nerves healthy. Healthy nerves mean less pain. Now, let's talk about turmeric powder. It's like a superhero because it fights inflammation in our bodies. Inflammation often causes joint pain, and turmeric's active part, curcumin, helps calm it down. It's like a natural pain reliever. Now, here's how to make the magic happen. Take one ripe banana. Toss it in your blender. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And if you like, a bit of honey for extra taste. Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Ta-da! You've got yourself a tasty and healthy way to fight those back and joint pains. But here's the secret, you need to have this smoothie regularly, not just once. Consistency is key. And that's it, a natural remedy that works like magic for back and joint pain. Give it a go and tell me in the comments how it's working for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple health tips. Until next time, stay pain-free and stay awesome.